Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? Okay, so on today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys the current update at Aroma overpass bridge, Awka Anambra state. Okay, so you all know that there's an overpass bridge construction going on close to Aroma. Okay, and this bridge is linking Awka to the other road of Ifitoka leading to 6th Avenue. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys the current state of the bridge. Okay, because the last time I did video here, they still had a lot of work to do then, but now guys, very soon they'll be commissioning this bridge, this overpass bridge, very soon, because the work here is almost done. So yeah, so this is from I'm taking this video from if you talk side, that's the one that leads to 6th Avenue, Nkwame. Okay, that's where I'm taking this video from. Okay, and I'm still going to take from the other angle and show you guys everywhere. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to climb. Okay, yeah, so you see if you have not watched my previous video on this overpass construction, go and watch my first video and watch this one, and then you now compare and know how fast these people are in constructing this bridge. Okay, like I always say, our governor is the kind of governor that takes his projects seriously. So if he gives you any work to do, you are going to deliver it on time, because he doesn't want long stories. Okay, so I just came up here and you can see the obstacle, the obstacle by the side, okay, that prevents your car from falling off, or that prevents someone from falling off. So they just placed this obstacle, and if you watch very well, there's some parts that they are yet to put some of this obstacle. Okay, so yeah, so this is it, and there's just very little work here to do, and this bridge is ready. Okay, I always say this, guys, very soon everywhere it will be raining commissioning. Okay, because our governor just commissioned the Okoko Road, General Hospital Okoko. Very soon it's going to be happening here in Awka, because all his projects they are delivering one after the other. Okay, so yeah, so this is the current state of Aroma Aroma bypass. Okay, this is the current state of it. So without plenty talks, guys, please watch to the end of this video and see what is going on here, how fast these guys are in delivery. You can look at the cliff from here, the obstacle from, you can look at the obstacle from here. You can see they're almost done with the whole thing. So yeah, that is it, guys. So please watch this video to the end. To all my subscribers, thank you guys for always stopping by to watch, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. So I'll be bringing more videos for you guys. Okay, trust me on that. Okay, so see you to the end of this video. Okay, bye.